Hey, so I'm going to do these two examples for you, and then maybe that'll help you. So every time you're solving these, you got to find the variable, which is the letter, and then you have to get it by itself. So everything that's on this side, you have to get rid of. Opposite of plus 3 is minus 3. Do it there and there. Plus 3 and minus 3 are opposites. Cancel them. Bring down that 3m equals, and then negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6. 3 and m squished together like that means multiply. So to get rid of times 3, you do divided by 3. Use a fraction bar for divided by 3. And then this one is m equals negative 2. And then to check it, you plug it in right there. So 3 times negative 2 plus 3. Type that into your calculator, hit equals. If you get that right there, then sweet, you are correct. Answer should all show up over here. Nothing on this whole sheet should be a fraction or a decimal. This type, same thing. You're getting the x by itself. Always undo the plus or minus part first. Minus 4 on both sides. Cancel those. X over 2 means x divided by 2. Over here we have 8 minus 4 is 4. So how do we get rid of divided by 2? Times 2. And then x equals 8. So you should remember that from last year. Thanks for asking. Hope that helps.